Hey, what's up everybody? Adam here with Steel Ridge Farm. We are a brand new GrazeCart customer, and I want to show you just how easy and quick it is to get your own website and online store set up with GrazeCart. Here we go. All right, so I've got all of my collections or categories added, and now I'm going to go ahead and start adding my products and assigning those to these different categories. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Product, and I'm going to add our tendril pea microgreens. That's a standard item, and we want to do that by weight. We sell all of our microgreens by the ounce. I want to put in, and it's $4 an ounce, so an ounce would be essentially a 1/16 of a pound. So we want to put 0.063 pounds in there. All right, so I'm going to skip unit description and summary for now, and I'm just going to plug in the description, which I'm going to copy and paste from our sales sheet PDF, and then I just need to add my product photo, which I also have saved. I'm going to drag and drop it in there, and we'll select that. That's our product image, and we want to add this to the microgreens collection. I'm not going to worry about tags right now either. And I'm just going to go ahead and save that. All right, price per weight. No, it is not on sale. Retail price is $4. And then the price unit weight, right? We got the weight, item cost. Okay, so this is for us to be able to track in reporting, I assume, our profit margin and our profitability. I'm just going to say $1 is our cost per ounce. And I think we'll leave that at that for now. I'm not going to set up other prices, but I did see where that gets set up in here. So like you can create separate pricing structures for wholesale, retail, bulk orders, whatever, right? So like we sell direct to restaurants and things like that, and our pricing is a bit different. So you can go set up those profiles, and then you can just choose that group. So like a wholesale group. And then when you set up that group, you set up what the discount or addition above is, and it will then offer that option here for that group. But I'm not going to worry about that for now. Just wanted you to see kind of how that works. So we'll go over to our inventory. This is not a bundle. I do want to track the inventory on this product. The one thing that's really cool about GrazeCart, and part of the reason why we chose to go with it after we started our 14-day demo, is because we run into a particular challenge when it comes to selling microgreens and eggs and other things like that, because we're producing a volume crop, right? So we might harvest this week and end up with 40 ounces of tendril pea microgreens, and then we want to put those out for orders, but we don't package our orders until we actually have all the orders in. And we sell these in different variations, like a 1 ounce clamshell, a 2 ounce clamshell, and a 4 ounce clamshell. And then there's even bulk pricing for our restaurants and things like that, or bulk quantities. The thing that I love about GrazeCart is that you can set this up so that you track all of your inventory on one item, so that no matter what variations people choose, it will subtract from the overall inventory so that you don't oversell something. So I'm going to show you how that gets set up here real quick. I'm going to track my inventory on this main tendril pea item, and my online store inventory, we're going to say we have 40, right? 40 ounces of that right now. I'm going to leave the stock threshold alone. I do not want to allow back ordering. I'm going to leave this other ones alone for now as well. Save all of that. And I'm going to go over to settings, and I'm actually going to set this as not being visible in the store. And the reason I'm going to do that with this particular case is because this is going to be my inventory item, but it's not the one that I actually want people to see in the store in order to choose the size of the clamshell package they want, which will all make sense here in just a minute. And I'm not going to deal with the taxable stuff right now either. And I think all of these other defaults are perfect for what we need. So I am going to leave those exactly as they are. Yep. And I'm going to just go ahead and hit save here. Protocols. I did not set up protocols yet. So let's go set one of those up real fast. If I go to protocols and I want to add, say, for example, to let people know that our microgreens are 100% organic. So we're going to add 100% organic. And we'll even put here our products are 100% organic. Create protocol. And then I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then I'll go back to my products, Tendril P protocols. I'm going to assign that protocol to it. So it shows in the product listing that it is 100% organic. And then your SEO settings, again, these are really important. I'm going to plug this one in super fast. I'm going to use my product description as my SEO page description. So that's it. So that one's entered. You can see it's hidden, and we have the inventory of 40. Now what I want to do is actually add my packages that we're going to put into the store. So I'm going to add another product. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go in here, see if there's a way I can duplicate this, save myself some time. Yes. So let's duplicate it. So we're going to do Tendril P 1 ounce sample pack. We're going to duplicate. Okay, so that saved me some time. Everything's added to the right collection. I got my image in there. I got my description. First thing I got to do is flip over to inventory here. And from here, I'm going to make this a bundle, and I want to track inventory on this bundle. I'm going to hit save, and then it changes our options here. So now we need to add what our main product that's attached to this bundle. And so we're going to go in here and we're going to choose that Tendril P, and the quantity is 1. So we're going to add 1 is 1 ounce. Now what it's telling the system to do is every time it sells this product, Tendril P 1 ounce sample pack, we want to reduce the inventory quantity from our main Tendril P product by 1. Okay, so that we have a good inventory. And now we have our price $4. Perfect. Okay, and our weight 1 ounce, or 0.063. And then settings we need to change because we need to make this visible now. But everything else should be the same. SEO, I want to change this to Tendril P. I'm just going to do Tendril P 1 ounce. All right. So this same example applies. I'll show you real fast, right? So if I go, and I'm going to duplicate this 1 ounce one now with the bundle, and we're going to call this Tendril P. I want to do my 2 ounce now. So we'll duplicate that, and we'll change our, let's see, I'm going to go to inventory first. We want to track on the bundle. Yes. Okay. We're going to add our product. Again, it's the Tendril P, choosing the main one, except now we want the quantity to be 2 because it's 2 ounces that we're going to reduce the inventory by. And then we're going to go, whoops, got to save first. And we're going to go to our price and weight. And I want to change this now to $8 for a 2 ounce clamshell. And 2 ounces would be 0.125 pounds. And our cost now would be $2. Save that, flip over to our SEO, change this to 2, hit save, and there we go. So you guys get the idea. So now I've got a 2 ounce sample pack and a 2 ounce container in my store, and anytime somebody purchases those, it's going to reduce my main Tendril P inventory by either 1 or 2 respectively. All right, so now that you have the idea on how to add those products, I'm going to time warp again, and I'm going to add all the rest of my products real fast. All right, you can see here now I've got all of our products entered, 31 products in total, and we're good to go. So if I flip over to my store now, you can see if I flip into any one of these categories, you can see all of our products are in here, and they all look awesome.